Welcome guys. Let's do Origin Protocol technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of OGN is 188 and price of OGN is $0.64 right now. Market cap of OGN is 252 million. Fully diluted market cap of OGN is $648 million. 24-hour trading volume of OGN is $19 million. Circulating supply of OGN is 388 million. And maximum and total supply of OGN is 1 billion. There is no hidden supply. That is a very good thing. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you website. Here you can see all-time high of OGN was on April 8, 2021, about 8 months ago, and price was $3.39. All-time low of OGN protocol was on January 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 10 cents. OGN return on investment is 439, which is very good. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, UB, KuCoin. And if you want to grab this token and if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and register your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. This bonus is tradable, and you can also grab $9,180 bonuses of these exchanges, which are absolutely free bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is OGN USDT 4-hour pair chart, and here you can see price of OGN is 64 cents right now, and it is in this falling wedge. And if it drops, price can go down to 60 cents, and this will be a support. After that, next support is 57 cents price area. This is upper trend line, this is down trend line. Once OGN protocol break this falling wedge, in that case next target is $76, 76 cents, and after that 82 cents, and after that $1.04, and after that $1.19 and $1.25. But for all these targets, OGN have to break this falling wedge pattern. Once OGN break this pattern towards upside, after that next target is 76 cents. And if unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case maybe 60 cents, 57 cents, maybe 47 cents are the next areas. Let me please show you volume. There is very less volume. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is very low. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this EMA ribbon, and after breaking this EMA ribbon and after breaking this horizontal resistance of 76 cents, definitely OGN price will go up. Otherwise maybe we may see some sideways action in OGN price. Let me please show you some other indicators. First of all, RSI is at 40, it have to cross 50. After that we see a new rally in OGN price. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards upside, but now towers are changing their color. Maybe we may see some price drop in OGN price. Let me please show you daily chart. This is OGN daily chart, and it is in this falling wedge pattern, and price is 64 cents right now. If it broke this towards upside, because this is a bullish pattern, then our next target is $1.11. After that $1.26, after that $1.50, and after that $1.67. These all are next targets it have to hit, and these are support areas, 48 cents and 24 cents price area. It is very important to hold this trend line. If OGN hold this and push towards upside, in that case next first target will be, it have to break 79 cents price area. After that $1.11, $1.26, $1.50, and so on. These all are targets. We have to look at very carefully. Let me please show you volume. Daily volume is very low. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is low. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon candles are below. From this EMA ribbon, candles have to break this zone, 92 cents price zone. After that we may see price upside movement, and after that price can hit these targets very soon. Until now we have to be very careful. Let me please show you other indicators. First of all, RSI. RSI is very bearish and it is at 32. It have to cross 50. After that definitely upside rally will begin. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. Maybe we see a upside crossover, and after that we may see a upside movement in price. But for this we have to be very careful. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. Let me please show you. Let me please fix it. Let me please do this. Here you can see. Let me please do this again. I want to show this very clearly. These yellow lines are major CPR lines, and these are major monthly CPR lines, and these red lines are monthly CPR bearish target. Unfortunately, it hit first bearish target and it is near to hit second bearish target, which is at 54 cents price area. Once it bounce back, after that it can face a resistance is at 75 cents price area. Once it broke this area, next is this major support zone of CPR level, and it is at $1.05. Once it broke this area, in that case these blue lines are monthly CPR targets. After that price can hit, this is first monthly bullish target, this is second monthly bullish target, and this is third monthly bullish target. These all are monthly bullish targets, but for all these targets it have to cross this area. Once it cross this area and close daily candle above $1.21 price area, in that case it can easily hit these targets. Otherwise maybe we may see sideways action like this. Until now we have it. Let me please delete all these things. Note down these all targets and support levels. Let me please delete this, and let me please hide this zone, and let me please hide this. Let me please. Now I want to show you fib level to trade. For this I have to manage this chart. Let me please do this. If I draw this from bottom to top, after that we may see perfect levels to trade. Here you can see currently it is in between 0.88 to 0.78 fib levels. Once it crosses 79 cents price area, it will break 0.78 Fibonacci level. After that next level is 0.61, which is golden bucket, and it is at $1.35 price area. After that this zone, which is 0.5, which is very important Fibonacci level, and it is at $1.74. After that 0.38, which is at $2.12 price area, and after that 0.23, which is $2.60 price area, and after that this level $3.38. But for all these things it have to break this zone 79 cents price area and close daily candle above this zone. After that next target will be $1.35, and after that so on. And if it is rejected from this zone, then next support area is 46 cents price zone. Here you can see several times after touching this it bounced back. Here you can see 47 cents to 50 cents price area is very important. It have to hold this area, and once it cross 80 cents price area, in that case $1.35 will be next target. After that $1.74, after that $2.12, after that $2.60. These are the levels and targets to trade. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And please do me favor, if you want to open these accounts, then go to in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account with my affiliate link. And after initial deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.